Hi beautiful, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vina and today we're diving into a hair growth treatment that combines two key ingredients that have helped me grow my hair faster and longer. I guarantee your hair will grow if you do this. Let's get started. Before we begin the preparation, just a quick update. I'm currently in the middle of a hair growth challenge using hibiscus flower. I've been applying hibiscus tonic every day and we're almost done with the challenge. Wish me luck and don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss the results. That's why we're gonna be including hibiscus flower in today's recipe. Now, let's get started with the preparation. We're gonna make a flaxseed and hibiscus gel. For this, we need 2 cups of water, 2 tablespoons of flax seeds, and 1 tablespoon of hibiscus flowers. Flaxseed is already well known for boosting hair growth and making hair incredibly soft and easy to manage, something we all appreciate. Flaxseed gel doubled my hair growth in a month. You probably saw the results of that hair growth challenge, and if you haven't, go and watch it. You will love it. We'll let it boil for about 5 minutes on high heat, and by then we should start to see some gel forming. Although, spoiler alert, we won't see that happening. It turns out that the hibiscus flowers completely cancels out the mucilage that we love so much from flaxseed. But don't worry, we know how to fix it. Let's leave it cooking for 5 minutes more on medium heat and move on to the next ingredient. Aloe vera. My aloe plant is already clean. Remember to soak it beforehand to remove the aloe, as it can irritate the skin. Cut off the edges before handling it, and when extracting the gel, avoid using a knife because you know aloe vera is very slippery and it could be dangerous. It's always safer to scoop out the gel with a spoon. Aloe vera has always been one of my favorite ingredients, and after confirming its effectiveness in stimulating hair growth, I love it even more. It also doubled my hair growth in a month and is an excellent moisturizer with soothing and healing properties, making it perfect for adding shine and softness to the hair. I cut the crystal in smaller pieces, blend it a little bit, strain it, and our gel is ready to use. Okay, let's go ahead and strain our flaxseed and hibiscus infusion. I'm calling it an infusion because, as you can see, there's absolutely no viscosity here. There's no gel. That's not a problem. We're gonna fix it. To do this, we're gonna need 4 grams of vegetable glycerin and 1 gram of guar gum. Mix them well until completely combined, and then we're gonna add the flaxseed and hibiscus infusion to this mixture. Without making too much of a mess, I'm saying this mostly for myself, and stir until fully blended. After a few seconds, we have our jelly texture back. Now, it's a good texture, but I prefer it a bit thicker. I'm taking this opportunity to switch to a larger container. I'm gonna add 2 more grams of glycerin and 1 gram of guar gum. When everything is well combined, I'm gonna combine these two, and I'm gonna be adding our aloe vera gel into the mix. Stir everything thoroughly until it's perfectly incorporated, and look at this, guys. Exactly what we wanted. Isn't this texture amazing? Guar gum not only helps with the viscosity but also adds shine and softness to the hair. It's 100% natural and the perfect partner to improve the consistency on your recipes. I know this is a super simple creation that I highly recommend. I didn't add any preservative because I'm using it all today, but keep in mind that flaxseed gels spoils quickly. It don't last more than 2 days, I think less. So make sure to make only what you need. It feels incredibly smooth on your hands and in your hair. Even better. Now let's move on to the application. I'm using this mask as a Prepoo treatment. My hair is already sectioned because it is in twist. This is gonna be a process because I'm gonna take my time with each section. I untwist every twist, then separate the white hair from the black hair. The white one, I'm gonna throw it away because it gets stained with the pink color of the hibiscus tonic and it's pretty noticeable. So I don't want it anymore. I honestly have no idea why I decided to wear white extension during a hair growth challenge with hibiscus flowers. No idea. Anyway, no comment about it. This Prepoo is absolutely amazing. I'm applying a generous amount from root to tip. I'm going to repeat the process with each twist. Apply a good amount of Prepoo from root to tip, detangle, and then rebraid it. Since we're doing a hair growth challenge with hibiscus, I'm focusing on the scalp. We're not being stingy with our hair, no way. The application is super easy and the hair is not tangled, which is a huge benefit of keeping your hair in protective styles. Basically, all I had to do is undo the braids, apply the Prepoo, detangle the section, and rebraid it. Yes, it sounds a bit like a hustle, but I promise it's not as bad as it sounds. Of course, I have to rebraid them because if I wax my hair and the braids are undone, it's another detangling process that I'm not willing to do. I really love this Prepoo, guys. It feels very soft, it detangles, and oh girl, it definitely stimulates hair growth. Just ask the aloe vera and flaxseed ingredients. I know they're doing their job. Not sure about the hibiscus yet, but that combo is working. I'm gonna go ahead and add the remaining products all over my hair. Like I mentioned, we're not adding any preservatives, so I'm using it all today. Trust me when I say I'm really loving it. If hibiscus really works for stimulating my hair growth, I wouldn't mind using this every single week as a Prepoo. After the application, I'm gonna go ahead and massage my scalp for 1 or 2 minutes. Put a plastic cap to warm it up a little and let the cuticles open so the hair can absorb all the nutrients from the mask. Leave it on for about 30 minutes. Probably it's gonna be like 2 hours. I'm gonna rinse it out completely when I'm done cleaning the house. 2 hours later, when I took off the cap, my hair was warm and the texture of the mask still felt fresh. So I went ahead and gave it another little massage that I really enjoy. Last step in this video is to wash my hair, condition, and style. I've been using the hibiscus shampoo that I made last week. Let me know in the comment section if you want me to share the tutorial. Alright, my hair is hydrated, it's nourished, it's clean. Well, beautiful, this is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Next video, I'm gonna be sharing the results of the hibiscus flowers hair growth challenge. Make sure to turn on your post notifications so you don't miss the results. Love you all and see you guys in my next one. Bye.